Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club. And after a brief respite from weekly losses, the stock market's back to its old ways here of late with a weekly loss this week. But first, as we usually do on a Friday, we'll start on a weekly chart as the S&P 500. And as I outlined last week, I thought that we would get 3 green weekly trade triangles this week as the levels are pretty close, and sure enough we did. As you can see, we got a new green weekly trade triangle at 4,158.49 on the S&P 500, indicating that we are now in a sidelines position based on a chart analysis score plus 60 with a red monthly and a green weekly in pay. However, after a big weekly gain last week, stock market did come back down with the S&P 500 losing about 1.2% on the week. Key level to watch will be 3,810.32. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long-term downtrend. Dollar index, as you would expect, with the 3 major indexes being down, was up this week, up 0.5%, trading at 102.16 with a chart analysis score plus 55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the dollar index as well. Key level to watch would be 104.59. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the dollar. Dow Jones again triggered a weekly trade triangle at 33,213.62. Pushing the chart analysis score to negative 55, indicating that we're now in a true sidelines position for the Dow. Currently closed trading at 32,899.70, losing almost 1 percentage point on the week. Key level to watch should be 30,635.76. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow. NASDAQ also triggered that green weekly trade triangle at 12,131.66, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 60, again indicating that we are now in a true sidelines position for the market. Closed trading at 12,012.73, down almost 1 full percentage point as well on the week. Key level to watch would be 11,035.69. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long-term downtrend for the NASDAQ. Gold kind of flat on the week right now, down about 0.2%, trading at 1,853.70 with a chart analysis score plus 65, indicating that overall we're in a sidelines trend for gold. Key level to watch will be 1,846.90. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term downtrend for gold futures. Take a look at crude oil, currently trading at 120.27, up 4.5% on the week, marking 3 straight weeks of gains with a chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for crude oil. Key level to watch, 111.64. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position in the short-term time frame for crude oil. And we'll move along. We'll take a look at Bitcoin. Currently down on the day, but up on Friday afternoon on the week, 2.8%. However, still struggling to stay above that $30,000 level at 29,714.14 with a chart analysis score negative 90, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term downtrend for Bitcoin. Key level to watch would be 32,375.81. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, every success, have a great weekend, and we'll be back next week with a market update.